Hi and welcome to another product demo from FordFix.com. Today we're going to be adding a spare key to this 18 plate Ford Kuga. It's currently got two working keys. Just do that. And what I'll do is for this demonstration we'll just leave the keys on the floor outside so that we can show the newly programmed key working fine. Right, I tell you what, before we actually climb in, the OBD port on these is in the usual location, but it's behind this panel here, which can be quite difficult to pry open. So you might need a plastic tool or just to get your hands right behind there. A couple of clips at top that hold it in. The OBD port's there. Right, we'll jump in the vehicle. Now we're going to be adding, I just heard the steering lock come back on. We're going to be adding this this spare key, which currently does nothing. If I pop the clutch and try and start the vehicle, you'll get that message: Ford key free, no key detected. On these ones, what I'll do is first we'll just check the number of keys we've got programmed. So standard FordFix programmer, all the switches down. This is done with the ignition off. And if we plug this into the OBD port and just wait, I'll try and get it to the sunlight. 2 green beeps. Shows us we've got 2 keys currently programmed. We set the programmer into add key mode, which is switch 4 up. And for this one, on the focuses, the reader is in the bottom of the armrest, but on these Kugas, it's just here in the front cup holder. And we tend to find the best successes if you imagine the unlock button is a little circle there. If you put that directly over the centre of the key symbol, they can be quite picky on the positioning of the key, but we tend to find if you just push it back into there and keep that in the centre, that gives you the most success. So key add mode, get the extra blue beep to say we're in add mode. It'll take about 30 seconds, just get some activity from the programmer, and then a few flashes, and hopefully when we do the key count it will have added this this spare key in. There we go, 3 keys programmed now. Pop that out. I'll fish our key out of the centre console. There we go. Locks and unlocks. If we get the clutch, press the button, starts the vehicle. Happy days, hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.